31 was what the low note was.
Okay.
And then like the high note, I want to say like 32 or something.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Daniel Malden, and I got 3 ZD5 hybrid 18s, 2 Crossfire 8X, XS 8X. They're the 16 volt board amps for Crossfire.
Okay.
90 amp hour proto, DDM4 and Sundown Neo Pros all in the doors.
Nice. Who built this?
Me and a couple buddies did.
Okay. That's a 4th or is there a 6?
It's a 6.
6. That's kind of hard to see. Oh, I see them.
Yeah.
Are they like 6-inch or 8-inch Aeroports?
8-inch.
Okay.
Here you go, I'll play you a low note.
All right. Oh, there, it looks good. What's your SPO? Have you done it or tunings? Do you know that?
62. It's tuned rear 20 and front's 40.
Okay. Nice. 162 SPO you picked. All right. What did they get to? Is that a temperature?
Yeah, that's the temperatures.
230?
Yeah.
That's a little warm.
By the time it's got a long intro, but this is like one of my more favorite songs.
Okay. more loads. That was good. Yeah.
Let me pull them off real quick.
Okay, yeah, do what you gotta do, man. It doesn't fall off and it's throwing down. This probably plays to the high teens well, definitely.
Oh,
yeah, nice job, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, what was that frequency range? That's like down 18.
So like,
Wow.
18 was what the low note was.
Okay.
And then like the high note, I want to say like 32 or something.
Okay. I appreciate it, man. Your name?
Daniel Malden.
Daniel. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. You have a good day, man.
Thank you, thank you. Y'all too.
Yeah, pretty impressive to see how you fit three of them in a 6 like this. You did good. A lot of work to get to it. So.
It was definitely a lot of work.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick,
man.
see how it looks.
Don't mind it's ugly back there.
That's all right.